I won't lie to you. I know he's just not right
it's refrigerator time, or refrigerator.
And you can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your.
Lots and lots in here. The side door, someone spilled that. We got to get this all cleaned up. And I'm also going to organize. I'm going to go get some baskets and organize the inside of this refrigerator, and I'll show you as we go along. Also took all this out of there. So we're going to have a lot of stuff to figure out what to do with. Condiments, mainly condiments. All right. Homemade pickles. Mayan. How are you in there, guys?
Sarah, thank you so much. Sarah Kenny reporting on that. Update from DC. Thanks.
For more on this, talk to you. Thanks for that. We look forward to watching you this weekend, Chris. But you know, I couldn't help but think as I was watching that report by Garrett Taylor.
I store my water in the refrigerator so it stays cold. Gold, the best. This is a new vegan butter. I can't believe it's not vegan. I can't believe it's not butter. It's vegan. Okay, we've got the Sweet Lauren's cookies and peanut butter chocolate just came out of the oven. We're going to give it a try. I promised you I would try it, and I shall.
Texans defensive end J.J. Watt could not contain himself. Here it is. When I got drafted by Houston back in 2011, I was sure that I would never see this day. But the day has come. I don't know if I could possibly be more excited. It's not quite sticking to the ground, but
all good ingredients.
we have snow.
The only thing that I see different in this cookie is good ingredients, of course, and non-dairy. Good. Very good. From a 1 to 10? An 8. Very good. Go out and buy them. Check your store, see if you have them in your area. I think they're very, very tasty. And yeah, subscribe, like, comment. I'll talk to you later. Okay, so what I couldn't fit in the cooler, I'm just going to put in the bag. Organic Caesars. Do you like this, Joe?
Nope.
All right, then we're not keeping it. Do not keep anything that we're not going to use. It's got very little left in there. I'm not going to keep it. So I'm going to take this stuff. My garage is freezing cold. We're just going to put it in the garage until I go get the baskets to be able to organize. Yes. So let me show you what I'm doing. I'm just putting it into a paper bag.
Look at these amazing pictures from Texas. I mean, that's what to say. As long as everyone is safe on the roadways and schools were delayed today, this is, yeah.
Almond butter, Olive Garden, cheese, nutritional, tamari. I do, but it's not gonna fit any of this. This is my kombucha. This is the kombucha, the mothers, okay, for the kombucha when you want to go ahead and start a new batch. I'm not going to save that. I'm not going to save that. I'm not going to save that because this is not sealed. It's silly the way they do that. Better than bouillon. Oh, you know, Miss Cholula, we must keep Miss Cholula. Sweet Baby Ray buffalo wings. Mustard. Spicy ketchup. This is relish. Ginger paste, lemon juice. I don't think I'm going to even keep that. I have a few almonds. I will keep that. We're good to go. I'm going to go take this and put it in the... Okay, so we're going to go in and clean out the vegetable bin.
The Russian investigation and what Simpson considered the destructive development of Trump's victory.
So these are hyped up. Yeah, the small town sort of thing. It's not unusual for some people to know other people. But if you are a senior member of the Department of Justice and your party is in the middle of a presidential election, the one thing you probably don't want to do is go sit down with a political.
Yo, bud? Okay, how much do we owe you?
I thought you said give them the bill.
Oh, just give them the bill?
That's what they told me. They told Joe said, just give me the bill.
Very good.
This is who I am, so you know.
Oh.
Showed up at your house.
Thank you. All right, have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Okay, good. He's a handyman. We just had our smoke detectors changed. So, okay. Huh? Jim. Jim! Sorry. I don't know if you can see this, but I spilled some kombucha and it got really sticky.
So what would you need with this dossier in order to get FISA warrants? Is that in?
Get a napkin. This is turkey bacon that Junie eats. Chives. Yogurt. We have to find a better way to do this, to keep the refrigerator organized, because this is not working. Turn you just a little bit more. Junie's rose water is sprayed on his face after he gets out of the shower, gets all refreshed. sunflower seeds. This was French or Italy, Italian chocolate. Not eating it. Organic carrots, still good. The Italian chocolate, not eating it. Butter. This is bread machine yeast. My dates. Pumpkin seeds. Organic chocolate chips. Pumpkin seeds.
Wildfires in Southern California, firefighters are struggling to contain them when they could see some relief from the intense winds that are fueling the flames. And the FBI director grilled on Capitol Hill. How about Chris Wray fielded the barrage of tough questions?
Baby's cheese, Elsa, it's old. Coconut flakes, old. Yeast, that should be good, dry yeast. Wheat berries, I'm not gonna get it. Oh, cacao powder, you know, I'm keeping that.
Hi, I'm the one talking in when you're talking out. Something automatically adjusting to your every move. Did you do that?
This is bark thins. These kind of things I keep, and I've had it for since last Christmas, and I eat a piece at a time, but I'm getting rid of it. This is cacao nibs, more bark, bam. This is the Enjoy Life chocolate chips. Anything that's been opened, getting rid of. Better than cream cheese, better than cream cheese.
There is a problem. Our US-based restoration agents dedicated to your case will work to fix it.
And yeah, that's it. Throwing all that away. Emptying it out. Bye-bye.
LifeLock will either get it back for you or reimburse you for it up to the limit of your
Okay.
We provide lawyers and experts if that's what it takes. When I don't know enough about something,
Coconuts left. Not keeping that.
the expert I use is
What are the dates on the yogurt?
as low as $9.99 per month and get 30 days free with promo code JOIN.
December 24th.
Identity threat detection and alerts.
December 24th. They're still good.
Agent assigned to your case and you'll be covered by LifeLock's
And homemade jam. This is the apricot. So yeah, let's get on the next one.
LifeLock. Call 1-800.
This is turkey bacon. It's maple, low fat, all that, you know. Turkey thighs, if you like that kind of stuff. Babies, Lunchable. Check the date, girl, check the date. Lovely. Italian tofu. But I want to check the dates. Sometimes things are no good. March 13th. No, no, and no. My figs. Pecan, always good. Walnuts, good. This is walnuts, good. Apple, good. Yogurt, I just got those, I know they're good. Apple. Chocolate chips. Yogurt. Date on this, December, that's good. Butter. I don't like the taste of refrigerator butter. I'm not going to use this in the near future. This is the black bean. Arizona? Oh no, Alabama. Sorry, telephone rang. Apples. Lima Yoke ones. These are for the baby. Oh, this is the light vanilla. I don't want that anymore. You know what spilled? Kombucha, and it exploded, went over, and it dried on there. Correct. So these.
Put rubbing alcohol on it.
Huh?
Just put rubbing alcohol on it.
This is just fruit and stuff that dried up.
Dried.
It'll happen to yours.
I bet it.
And these are just take outside and squirt with the hose. Get them clean that way. Try it, it's a really good thing. Alright, and we'll be back.
we didn't talk about here.
Okay.
Is really having an impact, and that is the
Lunch meat.
pulling back of all of those executive orders that President Obama put in place because they
I got these from Big Lots. This will be the lunch meat. I'll label all of these so everyone will know.
That I think that I understand why politically he did not.
I'm just trying to fit these all right in now, see where they're going to go, and then perfect in there.
I understand.
This is for the babies. The baby's yogurt, the long yogurt bars, and right there. Don't know where I'm going to keep it yet. And then I got another lunch meat or whatever I decide to put. I can put these together like this. If I want, I can put this under here. And that'd be great. And then I have some other containers which I really like.
Yeah, I mean, we need top tax relief badly. He campaigned on it. He said it was going to be Reagan-esque. It's more Mondale-esque. And like you said, he's going to get criticized for it. Why not do it? I think
Don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but we shall figure it out as time goes on. Keep everything quite organized.
everybody with that.
Don't know if these will fit in here or not. No, they're too. Let me put one there if I decide to. But anyway, when I figure it all out, I'll let you know. All right. Okay, I pretty much finished it up. You can see in there, yes. So I told you this is going to be the baby's, right there. That's going to be the baby's yogurt, like the sticks. I have my milk, my regular milk, my nut milk, my juice, and in here I just have pretty much all of what my boy uses and what he likes. Hummus and regatta cheese and his egg whites, butter. And then this down here is for some of the bigger jars. Easy peasy, see, you just slide it out now. In here I have the baby's yogurts and I have my Parmesan cheese. Here I have all my nuts and chocolates and my dates. And over here I have my salads and the potato and all things like that. Over here will be the vegetables. So much easier, I can't tell you. Remember what it looked like before? I got rid of a lot of stuff I just didn't need. And yeah, so much nicer. So you can do it too. Just, you know, it took me really all day to do this. I started this morning, then I had to go out and get the baskets, came back after dinner and finished this up. So give it a try, I'm telling you. All you gotta do is pull these out and then wipe down, and you can really keep up on your refrigerator like this. So okay, this is Hungry Mama Me. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll be seeing ya.
I won't lie to you. I know he's just not right for you.